Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is HeyJuHey. So today I'm going to be showing you my go-to bronzy makeup. On a day-to-day, I always wear bronzer, like no joke. I can say that this could be on the more glam side than like the no makeup side. So if you're interested, make sure to watch the video and subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment. Let's get started. So since I did say that this is a more glam look, I will be priming my face with the Innisfree No Sebum Poreless Primer. I really like this primer because I think it does blur all these orange peel skin pore. Do you see the instant smoothness? Okay. Now going into the foundation. I recently purchased this Makiage foundation and oh my goodness guys, I was so impressed with the shade matching because it's like, okay, you guys will see. Just blends into my skin. This foundation is very buildable, so if your first layer wasn't enough coverage for you, you could layer it on like I am right now. Okay, once I'm done with the brush, I haven't blended out the part where I put it over my blemishes. I like to let whatever like concealer or foundation sit on it for a while so it gives more coverage, and gently dab it with the sponge. Mostly around it, not directly on it. And this will help whatever brush strokes that are left on your face from the brush to smoothly blend. Okay, base is on. I will set this foundation, but before that I would like to go in with the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer in Bait. This is my go-to cream bronzer that I just love. I'm gonna be more heavy-handed today. This is like a 2-in-1 product for me because it bronzes up my face and contours. I already look so bronzed. I love it. Can't get enough of your love, girl. You've been so patient. We started off in the basement. Now we up out of space again. Okay, now I'm going to set my face with the Fenty Beauty setting powder in Banana. You guys should know by now that this is my favorite of all time. Baking and brightening the under eye. Even though this is a more glam look, I'm not going to go for that super full coverage look. Now dusting it off. See how it's super brightened up and set? And notice how I didn't set my bronzer, my cream bronzer. It's because I'm gonna go over it with some powder bronzer, which today I'll be using the Makiage Mineral Based Bronzer in Waka Waka. Look how beautiful this bronzer is. Woo! Let me show you how it looks on my face because it's even more beautiful. She likes chocolate covered strawberries. I even like to take this on my cheek. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah. Hey. Look.
pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad, we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like
so this is a bronzy makeup, so I want to go for a more corally
losing breath, it's getting dark.
blush. This is the Burt
Tell me,
blush.
do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to put. Cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true.
So bronzy look equals to
Drive around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know.
So I'm going to take it on my nose
Chocolate covered
to
strawberries
give it
and
that
wine. She
sunburn.
likes notes that say I
Just got
love
out
you
of
all
the
the time. Roses
type
at
of
your
a look.
feet, baby girl,
It's
be
like the high
mine.
points of your face.
Baby girl, be
This
mine.
bronzer comes in handy because I'm going to use it as my eyeshadow.
You know you the best in the
And
game. Show you
I'm
how
just
to
gonna
love
take
it.
it on a blending brush and just take it all over my
Just trying to
lid.
get some time. Would you spend a night with me? Maybe spend your
For my
life
lower
with me.
lash line, I'm gonna take a flatter brush, take the same bronzer, and just brush it right on my lash line. I'm going to concentrate on the outer edges of my lower lash line.
But I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know.
My eyes are bronzy. However, I do want to darken the outer edges of my eyes, so I'm gonna go and grab a bronzy toned brown color. So this is the NARS. I think this was a limited edition palette, but look how bronzy and golden and summery and warm tone. This is the Summer Lights palette. I believe that they're discontinued, but I couldn't find a better choice than this. I mean, all in one. I will be taking this chocolatey brown color and put it on the outer edges of my lids, outer and lower edges, to smooth out my upper lash line. When you've deposited the color onto, like, closely to your lash line, start blending it up lightly so that there's no distinct line between your crease shade and your darker shade. And then going in with this darker chocolatey shade, this has a little bit of shimmer to it. I'm going to go even closer to my upper lash line. And then with what's left, light dust it on the outer edges of your lower lash line. Now with the highlighter in this palette, I believe that NARS has a separate, like a single highlighter from this, and I even have it too. It's actually the NARS Forte France highlighter, but it's just in the palette. So you can grab this highlighter in Sephora or NARS. I like that there's no glitter on this highlighter. I like a highlighter that's more on the glow from within type of a formula. Step. Fun part is, this is a bronzy makeup look. So for my inner corner, I would like to use the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter. Trophy wife. Hands up, all-time favorite highlighter. I should do a bronzy gold summer makeup tutorial. So this would be it. Actually, for the brows, I'm just going to take this color as my brow shade. My brows are on. I really want to add this bronzy shade all over my lid. I'm actually going to take the NYX Retractable eyeliner in the shade Bronze. The perfect shade for this one. And I'm gonna go a bit heavy-handed with this as well. Eyeliners are on. I even underlined my lower lashes. I didn't even skip the middle part like I usually do. I just did a full-on lower lash eyeliner. Now with the mascara, I'm going to use the KKW Beauty Mascara. This really volumizes my lashes, my non-existent lashes. Wow! Fierce! Now I only have lips to do. So I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Light On Lip Pencil in the shade 1993. And I will be going in with the KKW Beauty lip gloss, the Extinguish lip gloss. This was a part of her Fire collection. And setting it like always. And fanning it.
You just need you on vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me.
But I am bronzier than ever.
Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain.
What did you guys think about this look? I certainly love it. This could be a night out look as well. If we can ever go back out with our girls. But yeah, this is my go-to bronzy makeup that I do during summer when I want to look glam. Like my version of glam. I don't wear false lashes or extra concealer just because that's just not my thing, and not everyone who likes makeup needs to wear like 4 layers of makeup and, you know, sleeky lashes. So do what you do. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment down below what your favorite bronzer product is. I would love to know. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
We started off in the basement, now we up out of space again. #1 is the place we in. It's a meal at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win. Can't fold, never crease, don't be.